How did this turn into this? This is Siquijor Island in the Philippines. They say that this place is full of magic and myths. And I heard that motorbiking is the best way to see it all. And that's exactly what I did. For a while, it was perfect. We were enjoying the scenery and exploring the magic this island has to offer. Then we stumbled on a rocky road and the bike just slipped out of my hand. And it fell 10 meters off a cliff. Luckily, we were unharmed. And the islanders came quickly to our rescue.
Are you okay?
Yeah, it's okay. We were...
Jump, no goggles, no goggles.
Por Dios. Tanto niño saved us.
Yeah.
Oh my god, amigos, la moto está... Oh my god, no.